Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget wallet to Bitget exchange. First of all, open your Bitget wallet application on your phone. Once the app is opened, you have to click on this more section. More options will appear. From here, you have to select send. You have to select the token that you want to send. For example, if you want to send BNB, I will select BNB, and it is asking me a receiving address. So from where will I get the receiving address? I will exit the application and I will open the Bitget exchange app on my phone. Once the app is opened, I have to go to assets. From here, you have to select add funds. From here, you have to select deposit crypto. In the search bar, you have to type BNB because we want to transfer BNB. Choose the network. For example, the correct network of BNB is BEP20. You have to select that. From here, you have to copy that address that you want to receive. Now I will go back to Bitget wallet. Now you have to paste your Bitget address. From here you have to enter the amount of Bitgets that you want to transfer, and after that all you have to do is click on confirm. You have to make sure that you have sufficient balance to transfer. So once all of these steps are done carefully and correctly, then you have successfully transferred crypto from Bitget wallet to Bitget exchange. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.